Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will install Pycharm. That is the IDE I recommend for robot framework test cases. But you can use other IDEs like VS Code and Sublime and other ones. But I recommend Pycharm. So this is their official web page, jetbrains.com Pycharm download, and this is for Windows. So you just come to this website and scroll to the community version. That one is free, but for the professional one, you have to pay at some point. It's only free for 30 days. So click the download button to download the community version. I have already downloaded Pycharm, so I won't click the download. So when the download is done, you just double click on the file that was downloaded. So we click yes, and next, and you can see the add bin folder to path. We don't have to add it because we are not going to open Pycharm from the command line. So we don't have to add it to the path, the environment variables path. Yeah, so next, we use the default settings, install, and we sit through the installation. So the installation is done. So we can click the Run Pycharm Community Edition and click Finish. So you can click the Accept, Continue, Don't Send. Yes, so this is the home page. Sometimes before this page, it's going to ask you the theme you want to select. So you can select the normal theme or the dark theme. So we can create a new project, or we can open an existing one and open. And we can click the home icon and navigate to the let's just create it in the and we can select that one, trust project. Yes, so this is the Pycharm IDE. This is where we are going to run all our test cases. Yeah, so it comes with a default Python file, which is .py, main.py. You can disable this during the installation. So this is, once again, the IDE we are going to use. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.